Standard 12th Business Mathematics Exercise 7.1 7th question. In a particular university, 40% of the students are having newspaper reading habit. 9 university students are selected to find their views on reading habit. Find the probability that your first subdivision, none of those selected have newspaper reading habit. The second subdivision, all those selected have newspaper reading habit. Third subdivision, at least 2/3 have newspaper reading habit. Okay. So first we'll just write the probability of success and the failure. So your probability of success is probability of the students having newspaper reading habit. So they have given you 40% of the students are having newspaper reading habit. So we'll just declare this as P, that is your success, which is equal to, they have given 40%. So 40 percentage, that is equal to 40 by 100. So I'll get it as 0.40. Q is 1 minus P, that is your formula. So that is 1 minus your P is 0.40. So I'll get it as 0.60. The number of students are selected is from 9 university. So the number of universities selected is n is equal to 9. So your binomial distribution is P of capital X is equal to small x, which is equal to NCX P power x Q power n minus x. So this is your binomial distribution formula. Okay, so we'll have to substitute all the values in this formula. So your first subdivision is none of those selected have newspaper reading habit. So probability of none of those selected have newspaper reading habit. So we can declare that P of x is equal to 0 because they have given none of them are selected. So, okay. So of your x will be equal to 0. Now you can substitute all the values here. So which is equal to, in the place of n we have got 9. So 9c, x is equal to 0. So 9c 0. P power x. P is nothing but your 0.40. Power x is your 0. Again Q is 0.60, 0.60, power n minus x, n is 9, minus your x is equal to 0. So which is equal to 9c0, this is 0.40, the whole power 0, anything to the power 0 it will become 1, and 0.60, the whole power 9 minus 0 will become 9 itself. So 9c0, nc0, we know that it is equal to 1. So you can substitute this here. So I'll get 9c0 is equal to 1. Here one more 1 is there. 0.60, the whole power 9, your answer will be 0.01008. Therefore your final answer is 0.01008. The second subdivision, all those selected have newspaper reading habit. So probability of all those selected have newspaper reading habit. So everybody has got newspaper reading habit. Okay, so we have just declared 9. We have taken, the universities are 9. So all the university people are reading newspaper. Okay, so you can declare P of x is equal to 9. Because they have given all those. We have to take it 9. So you can write P of x is equal to 9. So again substitute in your binomial distribution formula. Your n is again it is 9. So 9c. Here x is also 9. And here p power x. P is nothing but your 0.40 power x is equal to 9 now. Next is q power n minus x. Q is here 0.60 whole power n minus x. N is 9 minus your x is also 9. So which is equal to 9c9. Again n your formula is 1. So you can go for a substitution here. So it will become 1. And 0.40 the whole power 9 you will get your answer as 0.000262. And here 0.60 the whole power 9 minus 9 will become 0. So 0.60 the whole power 0. So which is equal to 1 into this value will be there 0.000262. Anything to the power 0 it will become 1. So your final answer is 0.000262. Third subdivision is at least 2/3 have newspaper reading habit. So first we'll have to find what is the ratio for 2/3. So your third subdivision, they have given you 2/3 of students having newspaper reading habit is equal to 2/3 of n. The n universities are given, that is 9 universities are given. From there we'll have to calculate it. Okay, so 2 by 3 and your n is 9. You can calculate with that. So 3 and 9 you can cancel. It will go 3 times. So 2 3s are 6. Probability of at least 2/3 have newspaper reading habit. So they have given you at least, so which is equal to P of x. We have got here 6. Okay, 2/3 of reading habit is 6. So P of x is greater than or equal to 6. Because at least is from 6 and more you will have it. Okay, so P of x is greater than or equal to 6. So we can split up that and write P of x is equal to 6 plus P of x is equal to 7 plus P of x is equal to 8 plus P of x is equal to 9, because 9 universities only have taken it. Okay, substitute all the values here in your binomial distribution formula, which is equal to, here it is ncx. Okay, so 9c x is 6, p power x, p is 0.40, power x is here 6. Again q power q is 0.60, power n minus x, n is 9 minus x is 6. All the values I've just written it here. Okay, plus this part you'll have to do it again. ncx. Okay, n is 9c, instead of x you'll have to put 7. 0.40, you can see here itself and write it. 0.40 the whole power x. Okay, so x is 7. Next is q. So q is 0.60, the whole power n minus x. N is 9 minus x is 7. The third part, that is P of x is equal to 8. So 9c8, 0.40, the whole power x. Okay, so x is 8. Again q is 0.60, the whole power 9 minus 8. Plus your last term, x is equal to 9. Okay, so 9c9, 0.40, power x is 9. Again 0.60, power n minus x. So 9 minus 9. Now you will have to solve this. So which is equal to, first we'll just convert your combination terms into smaller one, okay, because everything you've got a bigger number. So we'll just convert to smaller numbers, that is NC6. I've just written the formula here. NCR is equal to NCN minus R. So here NC6 is there, so straight away I'll just write it as NCN minus R. So N minus R is 9 minus 6, you'll get 3. Into this part is there as it is 0.40 the whole power 6. Again 0.60 the whole power 9 minus 6 is there. So subtracting you get 3. Plus again this you will have to go for a conversion. So 9C7. Again 9C 9 minus 7 you will get. So 9C 9 minus 7 you will get 2. Into 0.40 the whole power 7 into 0.60 the whole power 9 minus 7 will get 2. Plus 9C8 is there. Again go for a converting here. So NCR is equal to NCN minus R. So in the place of N we have got 9. Okay. So 9C 9 minus 8. So N minus R is 9 minus 8. You will get 1. Into 0.40 the whole power 8 into 0.60 the whole power 9 minus 8 you will get 1. Plus 9C9 is there. So NCN is equal to 1. You can use this and convert your 9C9 to 1 into 0.40 the whole power 9 into 0.60 the whole power 9 minus 9, it will become 0. So your next line is, which is equal to 9C3. Now we'll just use your combination formula, that is the format. 9 into, up to 3 numbers you'll have to go down. So 9 into 8 into 7 divided by starting with this 3. So 3 into 2 into 1 and into 0.40 the whole power 6 is 0.004096. Can use your calci for these numbers. Okay, again next one is 0.60 the whole power 3. The answer will be 0.216. Plus 9C2, again go to your format. So 9 into, you've got 2 here, so 2 numbers down, divided by 2 into 1. 0.40 the whole power 7, your answer is 0.0016384 into 0.60 the whole power 2 is there. So I'll get it as 0.36. Plus 9C1 is there. So you can use your formula NC1 is equal to N itself. So just substitute it here. 9C1 means 9 into 0.40 the whole power 8 is there. So 8 answer is 0.0006555356 into the 0.60 the whole power 1 only. So you can write it as 0.60 plus 0. This is 1. So 0.40 the whole power 9 is 0.000262 into, this is anything to the power 0 will become 1, which is equal to, you can cancel this 3 and 9, it will go 3 times. 2 and 8 it will go 4 times, which is equal to 3 into 4 into 7, you will get it as 84 into 0.004096 into 0.216 plus this 2 and 8 you can cancel, you will get 4. 9 4s are 36 into this term as it is 0.00168384 into 0.36 plus 9 into this whole thing as it is, you can write it 0.0006555356 into 0.60 plus your last term 0.000262. So your final answer is 84 into this whole thing multiplying, you get your answer 0.074 32. Everything you can multiply with your calcium. Okay, plus this whole thing multiplication and get it as 0.021234 plus 9 into this whole thing. You will get your answer 0.003539 plus your last term 0.000262, which is equal to, your final answer is 0.09935. So this is your answer for your 7th question.